Hi everybody, this is Serb Chat, back another day with another unboxing. I just realized I forgot to say that in my last unboxing video. Today is Tuesday evening. I don't have the new iPhone 17 Pro Max until Friday, but I wanted to be prepared this time, so I have already ordered a case. And I want to show you the case, the Spigen case, and my needs for this. So, iPhone, I've had the MagSafe thing on the back for 5 years now. So, let me see. It came with iPhone 13, I guess. And I haven't used it at all. Very rarely. Because I have this finger thing, finger holder as I call it, that I really like. It makes it so much easier to use the phone, and I really like it. And when I watching things, it works as a stand. So that has been more important to me than to use the MagSafe. And as a car holder, I have this plate and a magnet in the cars. I've tried to find another finger holder for 5 years now, and I haven't found anything good, I think. Not that work with MagSafe anyway. So my needs are a good looking case, and I would prefer to have a custom made case just like this one again. And Apple themselves, their prices are crazy. Their cheapest case is a Beats case. That looks kind of cool. A pink one would work with orange, I think. But in Sweden, that's $70, 70 euro. And it's not even protected at the bottom. And I wanted a custom made case again, but last year I had to go in the store at the release day, get the new iPhone, buy a case there, get the case, the custom made case that I ordered, return the crappy Apple case, and I don't want to do that again. So I just got something, mainly because I found this, which I think is a smart idea that I should have thought of myself before. So let me show you how it works. So the main thing here is my beloved finger holder that also works as a stand. That is what I want and need. Mainly the finger holder, but I also use the stand a lot actually. So Spigen has a case with a stand and MagFit. I actually think it's kind of boring with a clear case, especially now when everybody are going to have the orange phone. But it looks good. I thought it was going to have some extra protection in the corner. It does not. It has the extra magnet for the MagSafe, but nothing special dampening, softening material in the corners, and the camera button isn't cut out. I prefer to have it cut open like that. And then we have the stand that you are supposed to be able to use standing up like that, probably with the phone, like that, and like that. So that works actually. Kind of stiff, so something you won't maneuver like this. This is a bit sloppy now because I don't have the phone. I'm using the phone. Plus the rubber band gets sloppy. But I used to do like that. So, but it's stiff, and I guess that is good. And then we have this very simple solution that I think will work just fine. It was kind of expensive actually. I think I paid $15 for these two rubber straps. And what you do is but I realize now that that is going to be a problem with charging, because I mainly use charging with cable, or more or less only with cable, to use with Apple CarPlay in the car and by the computer. So yeah, that is going to be a problem. And that hole was even so small to start with that I'm going to have a problem with my thicker cables. But the ID for this as a finger holder works just fine. It was just silly expensive, $15 for two rubber straps. I could just put a standard strap there myself. And the stand, yeah, it works. Looks like crap, will not feel exclusive at all, and I will probably not use the MagSafe anyway, but when I want to use the MagSafe, I can just do like this, or I should be able to do like this. It was not as easy as I thought. So if you have a suggestion for me that can replace my beloved finger holder, let me know. Until then, I will try to use this. I like the rubber band. I thought it was going to be adjustable with tightness and length, but no, you order them after length of the case or the phone. And the finger holder are stiff enough to force away the rubber band. So that actually works for me. If I ever want to use the MagSafe, which I never ever do. But let me get a cable. My bed charging cable is smaller than the cable head that I have by the computer. And no, this will not work. It will not. And that wouldn't work even without the rubber band. So the Spigen charging hole is too small, yeah. Well, I could without the rubber band, I could force it in. This one at least. The cable that I have by the computer is square and will not fit. And with the rubber band, I don't think I can force it in. No. And if I cut the hole open, we'll see. So this is my review of the case without the phone. I don't have the phone yet. So if you have a suggestion for me to replace my beloved finger holder, let me know, because this is wonderful. This is a must for me. Thanks for watching.